Morning, it's about 6 a.m., 6:30 a.m., somewhere around there. Had to make a climb this morning because the middle antenna on the stack match was no good, but it turns out it is good. I see good SWR here. We shut this thing off, turned it back on, so I'm at 50 ohms, give or take. The SWR is 1.0. Come down the band here, yep. 1.1 flat the whole band. This is, I suspect it would be good, but I'm up here. It's very cold. The wind is blowing about 20 to 25. As an experienced climber, I know to have the wind blowing on my back, so I feel the cold air. It's coming out of the north.